Hello, everybody. If you want to achieve phenomenal success, then you will have to try in a phenomenal way, make phenomenal efforts that will lead you there. Now, our greatest problem of all times is that we delay things. Whatever we have to do at our hand, we just think to do it later. I may put this in other words. Apathy and procrastination are not just two words, they are just become a part of our life. They have become an inherent characteristic of all of us. So, there is only one enemy that lies inside you, that is yourself. And once you conquer that enemy, no external enemy can harm you. So, with this, I will begin today's work. The first word for today is leonine. Leonine. Leonine means like a lion. Example: he was leonine in his rage. He fought with a leonine spirit. Next word is lethal. Letheal. Lethal means deadly, life taking. Example: it is unwise to leave lethal weapons where children may find them. The poisonous gas released in the experiment was lethal. Next word is lethargic. Lethargic. Lethargic means drowsy, dull. Example: the stuffy room made her lethargic. She felt as if she was about to nod off. Lethargic speeches are very difficult to bear. Next word is levee. Levee. Levee means earthen or stone embankment to prevent flooding. Example: as the river rose and threatened to overflow the levee, emergency workers rushed to reinforce the walls with sandbags. Next word is levitate. Levitate. Levitate means float in the air, especially by magical means. As the magician passed his hands over the recumbent body of his assistant, she appeared to rise and levitate about 3 feet above the table. Next word is levity. Levity. Levity means lack of seriousness or steadiness. Frivolity. Frivolity. Okay. Example: stop giggling and wriggling around in the pew. Such levity is improper in church. Your levity in dealing with your problems will make you a failure. Next word is levy. Levi. Levy means collect a payment, impose a fine. Example: crying no taxation without representation. The colonists demonstrated against England's power to levy taxes. Next word is lewd. Lewd. Lewd means lustful. Example: they found his lewd stories objectionable. Easy availability of lewd literature corrupts the moral character of the youth. Next word is lexicographer. Lexicographer. Lexicographer is compiler of a dictionary. A person who compiles dictionary is called lexicographer. Example, the new dictionary is the work of many lexicographers who spent years compiling and editing the work. Next word is lexicon. Now this word is quite clear to interpret. Lexicographer, you already know, compiler of a dictionary. So lexicon is dictionary itself. Example, I cannot find this word in any lexicon in the library. Next word is liability. Liability. Liability means drawback, debts. Next example is her lack of an extensive vocabulary was a liability that she was able to overcome. Whenever somebody does a favor for you, you become liable to them, you become indebted to them, and you find occasions when you can give up that burden. Next word is liaison. Liaison. Liaison means officer who acts as go-between for two armies. Intermediary. Example, as the liaison, he had to avoid offending the leaders of the two armies. Now, liaison can also be used in Indian context. In India, arranged marriages are popular, and those arranged marriages are organized by a liaison sometimes. Next word is libelous. Libelous. Libelous means defamatory, injurious to the good name of a person. Example, he sued the newspaper because of its libelous story. Libelous story. Next word is libertine. Libertine. Libertine means debauched person, morally corrupt person. Roue. Roue. Example, although she was aware of his reputation as a libertine, she felt she could reform him and help him break his dissolute way of life. Next word is libidinous. Libidinous. Libidinous means lustful. Example, they objected to his libidinous behavior in the party. Next word is libido. Libido. Libido means emotional urges behind human activity. The psychiatrist maintained that suppression of the libido often resulted in maladjustment and neurosis. It means that one should not try to subjugate one's emotions. Next word is libretto. Libretto. Libretto means text of an opera. Example, the composer of an opera's music is remembered more frequently than the author of its libretto. Next word is licentious. Licentious. Licentious means lewd, lustful, wanton. Example, the licentious monarch helped bring about his country's downfall. Next word is lien. Lien. Lien means legal claim on a property. There was a delay before Ralph could take possession of his late uncle's home. Apparently, another claimant had a lien upon the estate. Next word is ligneous. Ligneous. Ligneous means like wood. Petrified wood may be ligneous in appearance, but it is stone-like in composition. Next word is Lilliputian. Lilliputian. This is related with a story that we read in our childhood about Lilliput and small people. Okay, so Lilliputian means extremely small, tiny and delicate. The model was built on a Lilliputian scale. On micro scale, everything is Lilliputian. Next word is limber. Limber. Limber means flexible. Example: hours of ballet classes kept him limber. Even in sports, you might have seen cricketers limber before actual game starts, gain flexibility by doing some exercises. Next word is limbo. Limbo. Limbo means region near heaven or hell where certain souls are kept. Example: among the divisions of hell are purgatory and limbo. Now in purgatory, people are executed with punishments, and in limbo, they are kept in a prison like structure. Next word is limn. Limn. Limn means draw, outline. Paradoxically, the more realistic the details this artist chooses, the better able to limn her fantastic, otherworldly landscapes. Now, if I ask you your address, what you will do? You will take a paper and limn the directions to reach your home. Next word is limpid. Limpid. Limpid means clear. Example: a limpid stream ran through his property. Next word is lineage. Lineage. Lineage means ancestry, family tree, descent. Example: he traced his lineage back to Mayflower days. Next word is lineaments. Lineaments. Lineaments means features, especially of the face. Example: she quickly sketched the lineaments of his face. Next word is linguistic. Linguistic. Linguistic means pertaining to language. Example: the modern tourists will encounter very little linguistic difficulty as English has become an almost universal language. Next word is Leonize. Lionize. Leonize means treat as a celebrity, treat as a king. Example: she enjoyed being leonized and adored by the public. Next word is liquidate. Liquidate. Liquidate means settle accounts, clear up. Example: he was able to liquidate all his debts in short period of time. Next word is list. List. List means tilt, lean over, sway to one side. Example: that flagpole should be absolutely vertical. Instead, it lists to one side. Next word is listless. Listless. Listless means lacking in spirit or energy. Example: we had expected him to be full of enthusiasm and were surprised by his listless attitude. Next word is litany. Litany. Litany means supplicatory prayer. It is like a bhajan where you ask God to help you or provide you with the things you want in life. So litany is supplicatory prayer. Example, on this solemn day, the congregation responded to the prayers of the priest during the litany with fervor and intensity. Next word is lithe. Lithe. Lithe means flexible, supple. Its synonym is limber. Example, her figure was lithe and billowy. Next word is litigation. Litigation. Litigation means lawsuit. Try to settle this amicably. I do not want to start litigation. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.